Welcome to Cooking with CJ.
Hey guys, I'm Steven, and this is CJ. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a kid's favorite, butter noodles. As a parent, I know at times it can be hard to get your kid to eat certain foods. So today, we're going to take a kid's favorite and put a wacky twist on it. You ready?
Yeah.
Things you're going to need today are 1 box of pasta. We decided to go with bow ties. We thought it would be a fun shape.
Hey.
1 stick of butter. A 1/4 cup of salt. Ziploc bags. And last but not least, food coloring gel.
Mm-hmm.
The first thing you're going to want to do is to bring a pot of salted water up to a boil.
Okay.
Good job. While you're waiting for your water to come up to a boil, you can start to get your different food color bags ready. For each bag, take 1 tablespoon of food coloring gel to 2 tablespoons of water.
Alright, so I'm gonna pick pink.
Pink?
Yeah, pink.
Okay.
Open it, twist it. Twist it. Hold it back first. Hold it back. So squeezy. It's all pink. Ooh. Let me know once. Any food colors challenge? That looks so orange.
That looks so orange.
It's orange.
Whoa. Last color.
Yeah. Yellow.
Yellow. Once you have all your food color gel in each bag, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of water.
Me? Can I do it? Okay.
Now that your pot has come up to a boil, go ahead and add your pasta.
Okay. Yeah. This pasta. Haha. Pasta. Oh wow. It's bubbles. Look at that.
Look at all those bubbles. Whoa. It looks good? Oh, it's not done yet though.
Time to strain the noodles. Be careful, Daddy is hot. Shake, shake, shake. Strain those noodles.
Now that you strained your pasta, what you're going to do next is to divide it equally amongst your food color bags. Let's do this one first.
I do it.
Get your scoop.
Hey, scoopy, scoopy, scoop. Scoop.
Get a big scoop.
Scoop. Scoop.
There you go.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Diane, I do it. Good. Ooh, it's so hot in here. Can I do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a big one. Ah!
Once you've divided up your pasta amongst your bags, go ahead and seal them once again. That way you can give them a nice shake without any dye coming out.
Ooh, pink. It's pink.
It's pink.
Pink. Pink.
All right, you do blue.
I'm gonna do blue.
Give it a nice shake.
Yeah. It's blue.
It's blue. Look. Next, you're going to take 4 tablespoons of butter and melt it either in the microwave or on the stove.
How about we just try microwave?
The microwave? Okay.
You get that. I'll get one. Get this. Now I can do it. Put it in there. Put it in there.
Now that you've melted your butter, go ahead and add it to your pasta.
Okay, put it in here.
go ahead and give this a nice big old stir. Just get all up underneath there.
Oh, wait.
And flip it over.
Oh, wait.
Flip it over.
That's good. Ooh. I like. My mommy and my brother will be so happy. We make rainbow food.
Rainbow food?
Yeah. This is the rainbow food. They're gonna be so happy I make this food. They have a crack.
Yeah, it has a crack?
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay.
Wait. I need one more spoon to go. Get pink.
You think it's mixed up enough?
Nope.
No.
No. Mix it up. Mix this rainbow food up. Now it's all mixed. One mix. I need one more mix. Right. Done. Welcome to our restaurant. Today, here's our food. Today, I'm done.
Now that you've added your butter, all that's left to do is to plate and add cheese.
Okay. The lot. No, that's a big pile. Ooh, blue. That's blue in there. So last time I'm going to take the pink and the blue.
Are you ready to add your cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, let's add the cheese.
Cheese, I want to do it.
Give it a good shake.
That's it. Every day, that's it. I hope you hungry.
You got enough cheese there?
No.
No.
Left. Yeah. One left.
More cheese?
Yes. Alright,
It's my type of pasta.
I'm done. Taste it. Okay, now taste it. Taste the blue. Taste the blue. Taste the Blueberries.
Blueberries? What?
This is the pink. This is purple.
That's pink.
Oh. Pink meat.
Is it good?
Yeah, but it tastes like pink meat.
Oh, okay.
Want to try this one?
Oh, okay. Mmm.
That's good.
That is good. I think you did a good job.
Until next time, bon appetit.